Hi, Kirill. Your club is Zagreb, actually. So playing a World Cup in Croatia, is that like a dream for you because it's almost like home?
Yes, I love Zagreb like town, so beautiful town, and my family, my boy and my little daughter like Zagreb, and I feel so good in Zagreb because I play in the good team. In my team play players like Ivano Balic, Domagoj Duvnjak, Goran Skov, Mirza Jomba, Igor Vori, and I hope that we will make good things this year with my club.
Okay, great. Is your family here to support you?
My family wasn't here. The last two match with Norway and with Denmark, and yesterday go to Macedonia because they arrived with airplane, but they are the most fun to me.
Okay, great. And last question, what do you think who will win the World Cup?
Uh, the World Championships is the very very good championship, and I think my favorite is Croatia and France, but Denmark is same good team.
Okay, thank you very much.